Good
afternoon. Oh, my API for the data deletion. Yeah, we have done it in the last lecture: storage, information acquisition, data collection, etc. And in this lecture, we'll continue with the data clear. Yeah, you will see the difference between data clear and data deletion. Oh yeah, I need to share my screen with you. Oh. Yeah, for this part, data clear. In this part, similarly, we have the asynchronous data clearing and the synchronous data clearing. And we'll begin by the asynchronous data clearing. Yeah, here we use this WeChat clear storage, this method to clear all local data caches asynchronously. And we have a simple code format like this, clear storage. Yeah, okay, we'll just coming to the example directly. Yeah, you see here we have a simple application of clear storage of small program data caching API, and we'll do it right now. It's here. We were here. Oh, yeah, you see here. Similarly, we are continue. Here it should be. If we continue the number with previous lectures, it should be the eighth one. This one is the data clear with we'll use clear storage here. Clear storage. Yeah. Then yeah, we'll set it use a subtitle. What will be here is 微信 clear storage key. Okay, we'll put it directly like this. And then what we'll put our input component. For the input component, we have the name for it. Yeah, okay, we can put our key as a name, and we have placeholder is to enter key name. And then, yeah, you see we have key name before. We need to use bind input to bind our key input here. Yeah, this part is for input. And then we set our, we put our button here. Similarly, yeah, usually we use our primary type button, and we need to bind tab our event, which is a clear storage. Yeah, we clear storage. Yeah, okay, we'll just leave it like this. And then as you see here, we have our clear storage event. So we need to define this method in JS file. We'll put it here in JS file. Yeah, okay, we'll put it here just. It's clear storage. Oh, sorry. Yeah, similarly, it's very similar as other functions, other customized functions. Yeah, don't forget to put a comma here. And then we use the Weixin clear storage function. And in this function, we'll just do this, just call this function. And after execution, we ask it to print out something to, to be clear that data cleared with no icon, Okay. Just like this. Yeah, we can try now. We can just put it like this and we execute it. Oh, it's so slow. Oh, yeah, you see it's here. Oh, I think the title is too large. Yeah, you see, we need to give a key here. As usual, we all see what kind of key we have here. We have test one. Okay, perhaps we can create more. Oh, no. Okay, we put it like this. And if we want to clear this test two. Yeah, we'll see. But normally, yeah, you see the difference, but normally you don't need to enter. Yeah, sorry, in fact, you don't even need to put it. Yeah, we don't need even to put our input. You see the difference between clear and deletion. When we use this clear storage, that means we'll clear all data here, all keys and values. When we delete, it's just for one. For one by one key, one value. Okay, yeah, as you see in this Weixin ML, in this file, we have this button component to clear the data storage. And in JS file, we have customized this clear storage function to clear the data storage in the cache asynchronously. And we have this, we have this message to be given. Yeah, as you see, yeah, here, yeah, here is before clearing. Yeah, we have some keys and values. Yeah, you see, we can also add some keys here. And then, yeah, for this, it's at the initial, the page is like this. Later, we clear data and we get this message. And in the storage panel, all keys and values are cleared. Yeah, you see, it's the effect like this. And similarly, we'll see this data clear with data clear synchronously. The applet uses this function WeChat clear storage to clear all local data caches synchronously. Here we have the sample code format with check catch, and similarly with before, with those other operations, here check catch structure can be omitted. Here we have a simple application of clear storage synchronous of the small program data caching API. Yeah, okay, we are just do it quickly. It's quite simple. Okay, I think here we are just put these three lines here now. WeChat clear storage sync. And oh, sorry. And we don't need the formal parameter here. And later for the, we don't need input. Yeah, as we see, we don't even need to enter a key. We just need a button with the bind tab clear storage sync. Yeah, and we clear storage synchronously. Synchronous. I'll put just like this. And in JS file, we need to customize this function. Okay, we are just do it like clear storage sync, then function. We will define this function by ourselves. We'll call the method WeChat clear storage sync in this function, and then WeChat show just to see the title cleared. Okay, I'll just keep it simple. And then icon, no icon, as usual. Okay. Oh, for the moment, normally there's no key and value here. Yeah, you see, as we have cleared them before. So here we can put some A, for example, 1, B, 2, 2. Yeah, just take two simple examples. And now we'll clear storage synchronous. Yeah, you see. Okay, have you seen it? They have deleted. And I'm not sure if you have, pardon?
I see it, Lao Xu.
Okay, thank you, Kaya. Yeah, we can observe it more clearly with one thing. You see, if we use deletion if we use the method, the asynchronous method, you see what will happen. Here, we use the asynchronous, we delete, and then have you seen it? It's data cleared. It is printed, the message is printed even before the clear of this message. But if we use synchronous, things changed. Okay, you can do it. You can do it by yourself also. to see the difference. Yeah, you see, now we try with synchronous. Normally it should clear all this message and then show the message. See it clearly? Yeah, have you seen it? At first this one, then that one. It's better that if we have a lot of numbers, a large number of keys values here, the effect will be more obvious. You see what I mean?
Yes, Xiaoxi.
Okay, thank you very much, Kaya. And now we'll continue. Yeah, so you see, oh, sorry, I'll just put it here. You see, here, similarly, in Weixin ML file, we have used the button component to do the storage clear. And in JS file, we have defined this clear storage sync to clear the storage and give the message. Similarly, sorry. Yeah, it's here. You see here, figure A is the storage panel before clearing. Yeah, figure B, you see here in this storage panel, we can also enter or add data manually. And figure B is the initial page. C is the clear operation, and D is the storage panel after clearing the data. Yeah, you see all keys and values are cleared after the operation. Okay, here is for this this chapter about the data API. And from this lecture, we'll continue with other APIs. Oh, yeah, we'll continue with equipment API. Yeah, this one. Oh, I don't need to save the changement. Yeah, in this chapter, we will see some equipment APIs. You see, in this chapter, we'll talk about the system information, the network, the sensor, the user behavior, and mobile status. We'll start by the system information. For this part, you see, yeah. You see, we use the applet uses this Weixin get system info to obtain system information asynchronously, and we have 3 parameters here. Success for which callback for successful interface call, fail callback function for interface call failure, and complete the callback function for the end of the interface call, and it will be executed if the call is successful or not. You see these parameters. Yeah, and the success callback parameters, they are described as follows. We have brand with the mobile phone brand, and it is supported by the version above 1.5. we have the mobile phone model, the device pixel ratio, the screen width and screen height to show the screen width and height, and just above 1.1 version, we have the window width and window height. To show the window width and height can be used. We have the status bar height, which is the height of the status bar, and this can be supported by above version 1.9. Other parameters like language, which is the language set by WeChat version, WeChat version number, system operating system version, platform font size setting, user font size setting, subject to the settings. In me settings, general font size with a unique pixel, and it is supported by above version 1.5. SDK version is the client-based library version. Okay, yeah, you see these parameters for success callback. And yeah, these are for asynchronous acquisition. And for synchronous acquisition, the applet uses WeChat get system info sign object to obtain system information synchronously. And its object parameter is exactly the same as the success callback parameter obtained asynchronously. So now we are just do an example with the synchronous directly. We don't need to do as previous examples to try one with asynchronous and another with synchronous. Yeah, we'll just try a simple application to obtain system information from the small program device API. Yeah, here we'll do it in a I think it's better to open a new page. Demos we have here. Demos. It's important to create another one. Okay. What we'll create as equipment APIs. Equipment APIs, okay. We need to use it in many places. We'll just copy and paste it like this. And also in juice file, we need to create it. Okay, I'll just put it here, and then yeah, let's see it. Equipment APIs. Okay, we'll just do it here now. Yeah, and so we'll begin this example. In this part, we'll do. Yeah, As we say that in this part, it's about system information. We'll just write our title. What's the title? Is the system information, okay? Oh yeah, we need to define this title also. Okay, we'll just copy what is defined here. Equipment. Yeah, just that we have set it too large. Perhaps it's better that we set it much smaller like this. Perhaps it's good. We'll see the effect later. Okay, we have set our title, and then we can say our subtitle. Yeah, as we see, it's our, yeah, we want to do our get information. Or we can just leave it like this. Oh, okay. Oh, we want to get system information. Okay, info, just system info, synchronous. Okay, synchronous, we'll just write it simple like this. Here is the subtitle. And then we can set a yeah, and then we can yeah, we can set a button as we want to get information. We'll just put a button component similarly with the type primary. And the size of it is mini. Yeah, we don't want it to be too large in case it, and we need to bind type an event. We call it get system info, okay? Yeah, and then as we, okay, yeah, we can try both asynchronous and synchronous. So perhaps it's better we put delete it, as we can get these two in the same time. Here we'll say consult asynchronous. I'll just write it like this. And then another one is to get information synchronous. So we are just copy and paste it. Get system info synchronous, consult synchronous. Yeah, I'll write it like this. And then yeah, we are put another button to clear the result. We'll see the effect. Button. Yeah, we'll set them together with the primary and mini buttons. And we need our bind tab. We set it as recite. Clear result. Yeah, we'll give it like this. And then we'll use yeah, we'll print them out. View and mobile brand, as what we have seen before. Brand. Then what we'll get another mobile model. Oh, sorry, I forgot to write brand here. And then we are put rice model. What else? We can get the operating system. Is there OS operating system directly? It's the rice system. What else? The platform, for example. Yeah, we'll put it just like this. Okay, we'll just share this information for the moment. But we can set the style of these buttons. We can set them as button. We can set margins between them. Oh, sorry. You can get margin. For example, 10 RPX. And then we can, we need to set this one. We can close them. And then we need to set these bind type functions in JS file. So in JS file, we'll do it. Get system information. Oh, sorry. It's system info with the function. Then what we already call, we need to set this to get use of it. Get system info. Yeah, if it is successful, then we'll return the parameter, the function, right? And then what we're done is to set data. What we'll do is to set data with like this, and then we can get this information now. Then we can get this information. And this is for getting system information asynchronously. Then we need to get information synchronously. Yeah, put it here. Get system info sync function. You see their structure is different. We see get system sync. Yeah, it's you see they are quite different here. We don't have a formal parameter here for synchronous, and similarly we need to set data. And we'll put it in result also. Yeah, okay. This is this customized function, and then we have another one is to clear result. Is we have call it recite function, and then we just set data as an empty. Yeah, we set. Yeah, okay, we just put it like this and we'll see. Okay. Yeah, when we set it smart like this, I think maybe we'll put it. Okay, perhaps it's okay. We'll leave it like this, perhaps. Okay. Here you see we can consult it asynchronously. We cannot get it here. What's wrong with my? I have tried it before and it will show this information. It will show the information of this simulator. You can also share it with your, try it with your phone, but I think maybe we have problem here. I'll see it. Maybe we have problems. Oh, it's long. QR code is long. Yeah, I think I have some problem here. You see, in Weixin ML, we have used 3 primary mini buttons with gate system info, gate system info synchronous and reset functions. These are bind types. And we ask it to see the mobile brand, the model, the system, and the platform. In WeChat just we have set the margin of buttons and in JS file. In JS file, we have set this get system info. Yeah, first get system info, and in this function, we have called Weixin get system info. Success function, we have set data. Yeah. And for get system, oh, what's I have written those. Oh yeah, you see here, bind tab, I haven't read system with the same thing. Here is sys, and I have put them as system here. Oh yeah. Not just, okay. Have you noticed them? We'll retry. Yeah, it's okay now. We can consult this information, and what is shown here, the mobile model is this part, the simulator. With the simulator, we have the device we have chosen. And if we clear result and we consult asynchronous, we can also try another device, for example, Windows. Yeah, have you seen it? It has been changed, the mobile model. Yeah, that's changed. Is it okay for this part?
Yes, Laoshi.
Okay, thank you, Saddam.
Laoshi, I think I'm missing something. May I please see your equipment WXML?
JSML? Oh, WeChat. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't add the double bracket for REST platforms. It's not okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be fine now.
Okay. For yeah, you can also you can also see consult other information. Oh, for example, what we have seen before. We have asked the version, for example, the version. Here. The version, we can also ask the system, for example. Yeah, we can system language, etc. Okay, we'll get language here. And system, you'll see all these information, we can get them. Sorry. Yeah. Have you seen it? We have on the version, language, English, system, etc. We can get this information easily. Okay. So you see here we have just used three button components, and respectively for get system information synchronously, and a clear result. We have set these view components to show or to get the mobile brand, the mobile model, and the system, the operating system, the platform, the version, the language, the system, etc. And in in JS file, we have used this get system information, get system info sync and reset to get the current device information synchronously and clear the result. Yeah, you see we have also used here we have always used set data to render the page. Yeah. And in this part, you see the first this is the initial effect of the page, and then we have the result. Yeah, here the result. This is if you get the if you preview it with your mobile, your real mobile, it should be like this. But if you compare it with your IDE, it will be like this, like what I have shown here in development tools. Okay. Sorry. Okay. And do you want to have a break of 10 minutes or we'll continue?
We could continue, Laoshi.
Okay, thank you, Kaya.
Yes.
And thank you, Malala. I'll check your attendance for at first. So Kanruzama is not here. Kamruzama and Atman is here. Atman? No. So Atman is not here, and Kanruzama is not here. Oh, excuse me, do you know where is Kamruzama?
He is in Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you, Amin. Okay.
Laushi, when our final exam will be begin?
Excuse me, could you speak it more loudly?
When our final exam will be begin?
The exam?
Yeah, our final exam.
I think it will be in 4 weeks like this. Yeah, in a month. About a month. Yeah, normally it's like this.
Okay, Laushi.
Okay, so we'll continue. Yeah, you see here we have seen this system information, and we'll see another function is cannot use judgment. The applet can use Weixin cannot use this function to determine whether the applet's API callbacks, parameters or components, etc. are available in the current version. This interface is supported from version 1.1 of the basic library. And the string parameter call has 2 forms. Yeah, we can use API, print method, parameter options, and we can use component attribute option. Oh, yeah, you see here we have the explanation for each form, API name, core method, valid values are return success, object or callback, parameter or return values. We have the optional parameter values, component name, component attribute, and optional value of component attribute. Yeah, you see, we have a demonstration of the parameter call like this. Yeah, you see, we can use this Weixin can I use function with these examples. Here is the form with API method parameter options. Here is with component attribute option. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we can also try an example quickly. Here we have a simple application of can I use of the small program device API. You see here in equipment Weixin ML, we'll just put it. Okay, okay, doesn't matter. We can just put it like this. We'll get a subtitle. We'll leave it in the first part as our system information, but we'll get a subtitle with the can I use judgment? Sorry, judgment. And then in this one, what we need is to, yeah, we need our input components to receive what we need to judge. So we set our input component input with bind blur to set the information to get to trigger the event input blur, and then we can have a warning, a placeholder, enter the content to be judged like this. Yeah, I think so. And then the input here And what we need is also a button to consult. When we click it, normally it should trigger an event. Yeah, we set it as a primary one as usual. And it should have a bind tab to trigger an event. We call it just can I use? You'll see consult here. And then we want to show the results. So we use view, consult result, consultation result, like this. Yeah, just like this for WeChat ML file. And then in JS file, we'll put, as we have, yeah, we can set data here, result, waiting for consult, waiting for consultation, consult result. Yeah, like this. And then we'll get, yeah, you see, we need to get the input content. So we may put our input value here. Input value, by initial it is 91. And then what we are, yeah, we have our input block. We need to define the function usually like this. What we are put in is to set the input value. Yeah, it's the input detail. Yeah, it's like this. And then here is input blur, and yeah, we have used can I use function also. Can I use, sorry. Can I use function? We are just in this function. Oh, we're, yeah, like text to be this input value, and we'll see what is this, what we want to judge. If text is empty, yeah, or the length of it is 0, then we need to give a warning. Shortest title. Input cannot be empty. Okay. With no icon. Else, that means we have something here. Then else. Result. Can I use? We'll put input value here to, yeah, we are call this function to see if it is supported or not. Then we'll set data. Result. We'll use this the result supported. If it is true, then supported. Else is it's not support. Okay, we'll just write it like this, and we'll see. Here we don't forget to give this. Yeah, we'll see it. Oh, I think it's better to set this button as mini, size mini, else it's not very. Okay, you see, if we tap directory consult, normally it should be shown here. Oh. No, I think it's better with this one. With this one, perhaps it's better. Can we see them all? Yeah. Okay, perhaps I have said something. We'll say, what we'll give as an example. We'll try with which, yeah, we'll try it with the component. For example, we'll say button open type. For example, we consult it. Oh, it's strange. I think consult cannot use, and in ways in this part cannot use function. Wait, in Weixin ML, in this function, in this file, we have give input block, enter the contact to be charged, and then with the button bind tab can I? Oh yeah, similar problem here. Bind tab I can I use like this? Well, in JS file, can I use it in uppercase? Okay, what is okay? We'll retry it. So yeah, you see, if we tap nothing here, input cannot be empty. If we just like before, we say we want to charge this component button is open type. Consult it. Yeah, it is support. If we use another one, for example, open, yeah, we see it. Yeah, you see not support. Here is with a component. We can also try to see with our API. With our API, what you want, what we perhaps we can see with our API, what will be. Yeah, just what we have seen before. The get system info. Get system info. Yeah. Or we can just like this. You see, it is support. Synchronous normally support. Yeah, you see support. If you write a synchron like this, not support. If like this, it is support. Have you seen it? So you can consult you can consult an API or component like this here with these with these functions. Yeah, and you see here in Weixin ML, we have our input component to receive the content to be judged. And then we have the button component to click and consult the compatibility, and a view component to see the result. Yeah, the consultation result to see if the component or if the API is supported or not. And in JS file, in this file, you see at first we have set the result. At first we have set it as waiting for consult result, and we have used the input value to update the content in the input. And when the input lose its focus, and we use the input blur, this function to update the input value. And when we click button the consult button, we trigger the customized function. Can I use to judge?
Laoshi,
Yeah, I'm sorry, Kaya.
I'm so sorry for interrupting you, but I have to ask, why is the input value outside the data thing?
This
Why is it
one?
not inside with data? Yes.
As in fact, here it is not a part of the system. You can also try to put it in. You see, if we put it in, normally we'll get a different answer, but it's okay. At first I thought it was not a system data, but yeah, a very good question. Thank you very much, Kaya. Yeah, you see, it works too.
Okay, Laoshi, thank you.
Thank you very much, Kaya. Kaya, yeah. At first, I thought it was not a part of the system, so I put it outside. But it seems it works too. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Thank you very much. Yeah. Normally it's okay. Oh, your set text, for example. Yeah. Normally it's okay. So you see, when we click this consult button, we'll trigger the customized function. Can I use to see? At first, we identify if the input component, what is tapped in, is empty. If it is not empty, we'll see. If it is not empty, we'll use the cannot use function to judge the API or the component. And we use that data to render the results to the Weixin ML page. Yeah, it's the process of this example. You see with page A is the initial effect. We wait for the consultation, and figure B is it's a warning without any content for this input component. And figure 3 is with the consultation result. Yeah, you see, we can tap in other we can tap in any API or component to judge here. Okay, this example, can I use judgment? And now we'll see the next part with network. For network, first one is the network status. Sometimes we want to get the network status. And here the applet uses WeChat get network type. This function to get the network type. And its object parameters is shown here. We have these three parameters: success, fail, complete. Yeah, you see success it is required. It's the interface is successfully called and the network type is returned. For the fail parameter, callback function for interface call failure, and complete parameter is the callback function for the end of the interface call, and it executes whether the call is successful or not. You see, we have different types of different network types like Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, 2G, 3G, 4G, unknown. None, where unknown means an uncommon network type under Android, and none means no network. Yeah. Then here we have sample code for WeChat get network type. That you see success is required in this function. Now we'll see the monitoring, the monitor of network changes. In here, the applet uses WeChat on network status change callback to monitor network status changes. And this interface is supported from the basic library 1.1, and the lower version needs to be compatible. The callback return parameter description is shown here in this table. You see we have two parameters. It's connected and network type. It's connected is a Boolean parameter to show whether there is currently a network connection. And network type is to show the network type. Yeah, we have already seen those valid values that Wi-Fi, 2G, 3G, 4G, unknown, and none. Here, you'll see directly a simple application to obtain the network status of the applet device API. Yeah, we'll see it directly here. Same thing in WeChat ML. We'll begin to write our page. Here, we'll give a title. Oh, sorry. We'll set that's the second part is network. And then yeah, we can get a subtitle. The subtitle, we can make it as get network information. And then yeah, we'll directly see the status. So we don't need other components. We just show the the network status, the information. Yeah, we can just use another. So we'll just use another view component here. Oh, sorry. Here we show the direct. Sorry. Okay. So we'll just get the status. Okay, we are perhaps it's better that we set another class here instead of title. We set it as status, and then we get the current network status. Get it like this, and then we get status. Yeah. So you see, we are get the status in JS file. Okay, we are just okay. Here, as we have set another style here, we need to define it here. Status. How we are defined? With it font size. So we'll put it. We'll give 10 or. If it is status, perhaps we'll get just the same. Perhaps, yeah, we'll see. We'll see the effect later. And then we get the margin. We get it as 20. Maybe here I'll just give it as 22. Because I think it's too small. Yeah, we'll see the effect later. And then in JS file, we need to, yeah, as we see, we have read the status. Status being received, for example, the status is being received. And then normally we don't need other event, so we can just trigger it on load. Oh, yeah, we'll set our variable. We'll set it, and then we'll get. We'll use the function get network type. In this function, we need a success parameter. What we'll set here is the function. And we'll put what we'll put here. We'll use set data. Status will set it. Network type here. And then, yeah, we want to monitor the change of network status. So we need to use another function, Weixin on network status change. Yeah, in this function, we don't need this. We just get the function. And in this one, if it's connected, then we'll get the type. We want to get the information, the status. So we need, yeah, we use set data. We use status. network type. If it is connected, it's like this. Else, we'll just set another set data. We'll put status will set if it is not connected, we'll just put like no connection. Okay, we'll just put it like this. Oh yeah, normally here we have a parentheses here. No, the parentheses, this one, this is inner function. It should be, yeah, it should be here normally. It should be here. Yeah, normally it should be like this. Okay, we are trying to see it. Oh, yeah. Have you seen it too small? Yeah, it's better that we set it larger. Yeah, set 20. Perhaps it's better to double it with 40. Yeah, okay, it's better now. So you see, we have just get the current network status with Wi-Fi. So you see here, what is used here, it's in Weixin ML file. Here, we have just asked our view component to show the network status, the type of it. Yeah, you see, we have just what is important is just this one, and in JS file. Instead, similarly in data, we have a status. Yeah, as Kaya has reminded me, I can just put it in data. We have status here. Yeah, the initial I have set it as being received. And then as we have no other triggered events, so we put just in onload function. In here, at first, we use this get network type to receive the current network status information. And then we use set data to, to put it in Weixin ML page. And we have used another function on network status change to monitor the change of network. If it is, if the connection is if the connection is stopped, then we'll show no connection. Else we'll show the corresponding network type. You see, it's just here. Yeah, it's just here. We have in page A is the initial, figure A is the initial effect of the page. And yeah, it's just like what we have done. It's our Wi-Fi's network type. Then, in fact, we can simulate it with the network, the change of network. with 4G or with no connection. Yeah, you see, we can just try to where can I change the you can use your mobile phone to to try it. You will see. Yeah, you see, if we change here, change to 3, oh sorry, you see here, and then if we change it, you see it's changed here, current network status. If we change 4G, it's 4G. If we change it as offline, no connection. Have you seen it?
Yes, Laoshi.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes,
Kaya.
Laoshi.
Thank you, Saji. Yeah, so it's still here. Do you have some questions?
No, Laoshi. No, don't have any questions.
Okay, thank you, Sagam and Kaya. Then I'll leave some assignments for you. I think it's good. Yeah, you see here, I have shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have shown 7 pieces of information for system info. You can show with 5, at least 5, and yeah, and also another is to realize another one is to realize the network, to get the network status. Yeah, I'll publish it now. Please show at least 5 pieces, 5 pieces of system information, and get network status. Have you seen it? I have already published it.
Yes, Laoshi.
Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, Laoshi. Yes, Laoshi.
Okay. So if you have some questions, don't hesitate to don't hesitate to tell me now. If no questions, we may stop here. So in the next lecture, we will begin our we'll continue the network with Wi-Fi, detailed interfaces of Wi-Fi, etc. Wireless fidelity. Okay, so we'll stop here and see you Thursday. Okay.
OK，老师。
老师。
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Faso, Kaya. Bye bye.
拜拜，老师。
Bye, Shibli.